Good morning, friends. So let's start with today's sessions. So in today's session, we are covering packages. So before we start the packages, let's discuss about percent type and percent row type of data types. Okay, as you know, as a part of declaration section for each PLSQL variable, you declare its data type, right? Such as number, varchar, date, and so on. And these variables are interact with database, right? So now we have two special qualifier or special data type. Name is percent type and percent row type, which are declared as a variable that holds the table columns or the whole table's row data type. Understand? So what is percent type? So percent type is a attribute which provides the data type of a table columns of a corresponding table column. Okay, suppose you want to declare a variable as the same data type as the employee ID and the last name column in the employees table. So come with the table. So describe the table structure first. DESC stand for describe and the table name. So it will display the structure of the table. See, employee ID is a column name and the data type is number and length is 6. Okay, same as last name, the data type is varchar2 and the length is 25. So you want to declare a variable which is same as employee, which data type is same as employee ID and the last name. So come to the screen. See this block. This is a simple block, simple PLSQL block. In declaration section, we declare a employee EMP ID is a variable which data type is employee same as employee ID data type. So here the syntax for referring the employees table and the column name. Okay, so here we use percent type of data type. Okay, this is a table name. Dot is for referring the column employee underscore ID. See, employee underscore ID and percent type same as EMPL name is a variable which data type is employee dot last name percent type. So the EMP ID variable has data type same as employee ID, which is number type of data type, and EMPL name which has data type is varchar2 and length is 25. Okay, now between begin and end block, simply you pass a value which has 6 length and the employee name, suppose Neeraj, and display the employee ID and the employee name. Very simple block. See, anonymous block completed. Employee ID equal to this one. Employee name is Neeraj. Okay, so if you assign some larger value than the 6 variable, then the 6 length, suppose this one, and remember our data type has length is 6. Okay, so it will throw an error something like this. See the error number, error report, numeric or a value error, number precision too large. Okay, so percent type is automatically pick the data types from the table name and specified column. Okay, so what is the advantage of percent type? So main advantage is You do not need to know the exact data type of a table's column. Okay, understand? You just declare a percent type of data type and it will automatically refers the column of a specified table. Okay, now if you change the table's structure or table definition, suppose previously the column data type is number and later on you change the data type from number to varchar 2. Okay, then percent type of a attribute is automatically changed according to the columns table at the runtime. This is the main advantage of percent type of data type. Okay, so this is all about percent type of data type. Now what is percent row type data types? Same, yeah, same as percent type of data type, but it holds all the columns data type in a variable. Okay, means you need not to know about the all columns data type of referencing table. You just declare a record type of variable with percent row type of attribute, so it will take all the columns data type from the referencing table. Okay, see the example. See our table has this structure: employee ID, first name, last name, and so on. Okay, so first of all we declare emp-rec as a variable which is record type, means it holds all the row from the table, which data type is employee table name. See, we do not declare a column over here, right? Previously we declare table name dot column name and percent type. Here we declare only table name percent row type, means declare a variable with row type of attribute, so this record will holds all the data type from the employee table. Okay, so let's begin and end section. Come to begin and end section. Now select asterisk, means all the record into emp-rec, which is a variable which you declare record type of variable from employees table, where employee ID equal to 120. Suppose we want to retrieve all the record where employee ID is 120. dbms output put line employee name emp-rec is a variable dot. Now we refer a first column over here, first column, and emp-rec dot last column, means we want to retrieve only first name and the last name from the table. Okay, with the help of percent row type of variable, percent row type of data type. So now execute this section. See, anonymous block completed. The employee name is Matthew Pease. Check the employee table. Select a star from employees where first name equal to see, this is the record employee ID equal to 120, first name is Matthew, last name is Matthew Weiss. So our row type of data type holds the whole structure of table. See, okay, And the advantage of the row type of data type is same as percent type of data type, means you do not need to know the exact data type of the table whole table's column. Okay, and same, if you change the data type, if you change the database definition of any of the tables column, then the data type associated with percent row type of data type change according to the tables column. Okay, so this is all about the percent type and percent row type of data type. Now come to packages. What is packages? Any idea? Okay, so let's start with packages definition. So as the name says, package means PLSQL packages are schema object that groups logically related PLSQL objects and subprograms like function, procedure, variable, cursors. Okay, so in other words, you can say that a package is an encapsulated collection of database objects like function and procedures. Okay, so a package will have two mandatory parts. First one is specification and the second one is package body. So specification, what is specification? The specification is the interface to the package. So it just declare all type of variables, constants and subprograms like function and procedure that can be referenced from outside of the package. Okay, so in other words, you can say that the package specification contains all the information about the content of the package, but includes the actual but exclude the actual code of the subprograms. Okay, understand? Okay, we will come with the example for better understanding. Okay, and what is body? The package body has the actual code for various method. Okay, which is declared in package specification. Simple. Also, this actual code is hidden from the outside of the package, means anybody from the outside of the package will know what this package is done, but he doesn't know or never know the actual process or actual code behind it. Okay, so what are the advantage of the package? Yeah, yes, simple. uh, the first advantage is modularity, means package are encapsulated logically related types of data types or subprograms in a named PLSQL module. Okay, so each package is easy to understand. Okay, easy to interface between package. Okay, yeah, okay, so packages are very clear and well defined, you can say that. Okay, the second advantage is easier application design. So when you design an application, all you need to initialize is a interface information in the package specification. Okay, you can compile a specification without the body. You need not to define a package body fully until you are ready to compute or until you are ready to complete the application. Okay, so a package specification is mandatory, but the body is not a mandatory, means you can compile a specification without the body. Okay, the third one and very important one is information hiding. Okay, in a package you can specify which item or which subprograms are public, means visible and accessible to other subprogram. Okay, and which items or subprograms are private means that can only only used by that subprogram and hidden and inacceptable from the outside. Simple. Okay. So uh, it it also improves your performance, system performance. So this is the fourth advantage of the package. Better performance means when you call a package first time, the whole package is loaded into the memory, so later on calls doesn't require disk input output. Okay, so it will improve the performance. Also, package stop the cascading dependency and thereby avoid the unnecessary recompiling process. Okay, for example, you change the implementation of a package of a packed function, suppose. Okay, then Oracle need not to recompile the calling subprogram or function because they do not depend on the package body. What it means? It means a specification compile once and loaded into the memory, so you do not need to recompile that specifications again, even though you change the even though you change the package body. Okay, so these are the main advantage of the packages. So let's uh, come with the example. Suppose in your package you are including two procedure. One is for adding employee, second is for deleting employee, and third is for display the salary. Okay, so two are procedure and one are functions. We are encapsulate two function and two procedure and one function in a package. So we create or replace a package. This is the syntax for creating a package. I will just want to display the actual package syntax. Oh, I think okay. So the package syntax, because you can see my screen: create or replace package name, create replace package name is we have some public variable. If you have some public variable, you can declare over here subprogram and data types. Subprogram 2 and data types means uh, if you have a procedure and a function, you can declare over here function procedure name and then function name and the passing variables with data types. Okay, and so this is the syntax for creating a package specification. And now come to the package body. Create or replace package body. Package name is the local or private variable. If you have some private variables, you can declare over here procedure 1 and the definition of the procedure, function 2 and the definition of the function. Whatever function and procedure you declare in a specification, you have to write definition over here, means actual code of the procedure and the function. Okay, between begin and end block and that package name. This is the syntax for creating a package body. Okay, then how to use that package and packages and including the function and procedure. Right, exec is for execute, package name dot subprogram name and the passing variables. So let's take an example, a simple example. See, first of all, we create a simple package, create or replace package. Package name is pkg underscore util. Is we have a simple one procedure to display the name of a variable. Procedure name is p underscore ename. Okay, and the variable is p underscore vr, which data type is var2. Let's execute the package specification, compile the package specification. Package pkg underscore util compiled. Okay, now you have to create the body of this package. Simple, create or replace package body. We have a keyword called body. To create or replace package body, same package name is procedure p underscore ename. P underscore vr is a variable and the data type is var2 is begin. Just display the variable which we pass at the time of procedure calling. Okay, simple. And the package name, let's execute that. Let's compile the body. See, package body pkg util compiled. Now if you want to use that procedure which is encapsulated in package, so we write exec package name dot p underscore ename, okay, which is our procedure name, and pass some variable whatever it is. Okay, now what it will be display. See, anonymous block completed and our variable name is Neeraj. So this is how package created, package specification and package body created, and how it executed. So let's take a simple example, another example, which a package which include two procedure, one for adding employee, one for deleting the employee, and one function for displaying the salary. Okay, so you have to declare, specify, you have to specify these three subprograms in a package specification like this: create or replace package emp underscore action. Our package name is emp underscore action, as the first one is for adding employee procedure add emp, and the columns are c underscore id, c underscore name, c underscore cell, and the data type is, we use percent type over here. We discussed in earlier session percent type of data type, so we do not need to know about the actual employees table id columns data type. Okay, so that's why we use percent type. Okay, same emp dot name percent type, emp dot salary percent type. Okay, the other one is for removing a particular employee. Okay, procedure del emp is our procedure name, cid, and the data type is id, same as id type. So we pass the id only and delete the whole record of that employee. Okay, function, we declare a function for retrieving the salary of emp id equal to whatever we give at the time of function calling. So let's compile this specification. See, package emp underscore action is compiled. Now you have to create the body, package body, where you declare the actual functionality of a specified procedure and functions. Okay, so create or replace package body emp underscore action as first is a procedure. Okay, this is the code for procedure for adding employee, actual code, yeah. Add emp, these are the variable which we declare in specification is between begin and end of this procedure. Insert into emp is a table name, id, name and salary is the data type, is a column of emp table, and value is cid, c underscore name, c underscore cell. These are the variable. Okay, same as for deleting employee, cid is a passing variable, and delete from emp where id equal to cid. Okay, means delete the record, delete all the record of provided cid. Okay, now function for displaying salary, function emp underscore cell id1 is number type, return, see, return number is, this is the syntax for declaring for a function. You have to return some data type over here. Okay, salary is a emp dot cell is a variable which data type is same as salary. Now retrieve the salary for the specific employee id between begin and end. You just write select statement, select salary into cell variable from emp where id equal to id1. id1 is a variable. Okay, and return salary, return cell, these variable, this variable. Okay, and this function, this is the code for function, and this whole code is bind with package body. So let's compile this body. See, package body emp action is compiled. Now you have to call, we have two procedure and one function in package the name is emp underscore action. Now you have to call these functions. Okay, so declare in between begin and end block. Okay, so you have to let's take a snapshot of employee table. Employee table first, we have id, name and salary, and the id equal to 1 2 3 5 and 8, the name and the salary. Okay, and you want to delete employee id 5, so you have to write id over here, and you want to add a employee id which id equal to 4, so you call a procedure for add employee, pass the variables 4, name is Arun and salary is 20,000, and want to display the salary of employee Abhay. Okay, so you declare something like this. Between begin and end block you just write dbms output put line, salary of the employee 2 is, here we call employee underscore action is the package name, and emp underscore salary is a function for displaying the salary of id 2. Now emp underscore action is a package name dot del emp is a procedure name, and want to delete record of id 5, means this record. Now in a third row, emp underscore action package name, add emp is a procedure name, and passing values are 4, Arun and 20,000. So let's execute this part. See, the salary for employee 2 is 81,000, and check the employee table once again. See, we inserted a row for 4, employee ID 4, name is Arun and 20,000. We inserted this row and delete the employee ID where employee ID equal to 5. See, it's already deleted. Okay, and the employee action for display, it's already displayed in previous example. Okay, see, the salary for employee 2 is 81,000. So this is how we create a package, and in a package you can encapsulate same type of subprograms like function, procedure. Okay, so this is all about the packages. So what is actual use of package? Okay, suppose you have application which contain 2 3 procedure and 2 3 function to compute some values. So you have to create a package and encapsulate all these 4 5 subprograms in it. Okay, so it will improve your performance and better execution, and okay, so this is all about the packages. Any question, any doubt as of now? Okay, so let's wrap up.